Let's discuss creative way to use video reviews. First one, share video link to social media sites. Select the product with video review. Select the option share video. Select the location where you want to upload the video link. This is how it looks like in WhatsApp. In Facebook, the YouTube link is uploaded. In Instagram, you get the option to send the video link to your followers. Next option, download YouTube video and share it in your social media sites. First, copy the video link. Open the site with downloader and copy the video link in the prescribed box and select the option download. Now the video is listed. Select the quality of the video and download. Select the three icons in the video and select the option download. Now the video downloaded. You can upload this video in your Facebook page, in Instagram and in WhatsApp too. Use the option IGTV in Instagram to upload the video and to get more attention to your video. Select the option IGTV. Select the plus icon and upload the video. Select the dimension and one cover picture to the video. Enter title and description and select the option post. Next one, create your own video review. Download any screen recorder I'm downloading AZ screen recorder, one of the best screen recorder that I use. This window explains the permit drawing on other apps. Select the option allow permission. Open the app. Now you can see the icon of the screen recorder on the screen. Now select the video. Play the video and start the screen recording. Explain about the product and don't forget to highlight your services too. Open the screen recorder app. Select the saved video. Here you get the option to share your video to different devices. Start your reselling with this new tip and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.